I thought we'd take just a minute to check in with Andy Richter, see what stories he's working on in the news for next week. Andy?
Thanks, Conan. Coming up next week, we'll look at the latest vacation trend, skydiving with the dolphins. And is the office funeral replacing the office birthday party? And we'll take a sobering look at alcoholic ventriloquists.
My only friend.
Plus, are aliens trying to tell us something? And are toddlers running our show's control room? The answer may not surprise you. And finally, animal catapults. Are they really making a comeback? Back to you, Conan.
Thank you, Andy.
You're welcome.
Very nicely done.